Welcome to IMOT Agri Forums, the Agraria YouTube channel. Most of the healthy garden container plants eventually outgrow their pots. A good way to reinvigorate those plants is to repot them.
For plants in small to medium pots, invert the pot and support the top of the root ball with one hand. Put your other hand on the bottom of the pot and use a downward throwing motion with an abrupt stop. Many plants will slip out after one or two throws. If not, knock the edge of the pot against a sturdy surface such as a potting bench, still holding the pot with both hands. It may take a few good whacks to release the plant. Be careful not to break the pot. Roots packed tightly in a pot don't take up nutrients efficiently. To promote good nutrient absorption, trim the roots and loosen up the root ball before replanting. If the roots are thick along the sides of the root ball, shave or peel away the outer layer, or gently untangle the root ball with your fingers as if you were mussing someone's hair. Put a few inches of moist soil in the pot and tamp it down lightly. Also add manure to it. Place the plant in the pot, centering it. If the plant isn't too deep, gently raise it and add more soil. If it sits too high, remove the plant and dig out some soil, or just dump the soil out and start over. Now, fill the space around the root ball with soil.
Here are a few advantages of repotting a plant. Without enough space for the roots to grow, the plant may often experience stunt growth and may even die. By repotting the plants to the next sized containers, the roots may spread, enabling the plants to grow larger. Repotting also helps you to replace poor soil with new mix, adding up nutrients to the plants. Apart from health benefits, it also adds up to the aesthetics. It helps you get rid of outdated pots which no longer fit your decor. Subscribe our channel for more agri-environment related knowledge. Also visit IMOT Forum for more agri-environment related articles.